So when did mindset become something for you as as an athlete? I have this saying that your mindset's like a muscle, right? If you don't work it out, it stays weak.
Mm-hmm.
You got and the mind is, one of the biggest components, I think, to a lot of people's success, if not everyone's.
100%.
Yeah. So how old were you when you discovered, oh, this is something I need to, keep positive, keep working on, or start working on?
I'm sure when I was probably like mid-teens.
Got it.
When I first started, I was kind of decent.
Uh-huh.
Didn't really like to work too hard
Yeah.
when I was younger, and then that kind of caught up to me like 13, 14, 15. The competition I was skating against really started, training.
Yeah.
And I didn't.
Yeah.
So I was going to these competitions and just getting roasted.
Ah.
So that went on for a little while, and it got to the point where it was like, okay, I'm either gonna quit
Yeah.
or I'm gonna start training hard and get better.
Right.
That was probably 14, 15.
Got it.
Somewhere around there, maybe 16. Yeah, probably 16. Got a new coach. I ended up moving I moved my training team from Houston to Waco, Texas. There was
Okay.
a really, really awesome coach
Oh, cool.
in Waco, so I trained by myself 5 days a week.
Wow.
And then 1 day a week, I made the 3-hour drive each way to Waco to work with my coach.
Wow.
And then I had 1 day off every week.
Holy cow.
So that was when I was 16. That was and he really helped me kind of change my mindset. I still feel like how I changed how I think about things.
Yeah.
I still feel like that now. So I feel like not much has changed up here very much in
Uh-huh.
my head.
Yeah.
Since then, that was like a really formative time.
Got
for
it.
me. So that really kind of changed things.
I
And
love
I don't
it.
think I would have had any success in skating if it wasn't for Chris, my coach in Waco. So that was a big game changer for me. So
Very cool.